Hello, this is a short video to show you how to navigate to the MindTap Reader, which is the ebook format available within your AL V2 course. So what you want to do is, as you're in your course, you're logged in, you want to go to the Study Tool tab here and then click on the ebook link that's right here. And that will launch your ebook. So as you'll notice, it launches to a table of content, if you would, per chapters. The first tab at the top is the media indexes and the media index, and everything that's actually built in within the ebook that are videos and other medias are actually directly available if you want to look for them specifically. So let's say you are looking for any type of media content for chapter 5. You click on it and it'll expand the list, and then any of these videos you can watch by actually clicking on the link. It'll bring it up and then you can press play and watch it. So that's the way it works. And then you just click the back button here to get back to your table of content. You can also go to any chapters that way. So let's say we go to chapter 2. And by clicking on that link, it'll open chapter 2 at the head of the section. Now there's 3 ways you can navigate the ebook. You can actually use this table of contents here and click on a specific section of it. You can always go back to the head of the chapter by clicking on this button here. And then you can go page by clicking on these arrows here, either backward or forward. And there's also a little navigation tool here that allows you to move to any section just by looking at what's there and says, okay, this is what I'm looking for. You click here. And there you are. Okay. The other thing you will notice, well, that's how you navigate. So the other thing you will notice is that throughout the text there will be bold blue terms, and those basically are what you would have found typically in a glossary. The glossary is still available here, so you can open the glossary app and search it in a more traditional fashion alphabetically. But you can also click on these words as you come upon them, and the glossary definition will come up. Now let's say there are words that you are not familiar with that are not glossary terms. So let's say you're not familiar with mass. You can highlight the word, click on dictionary, and the MindTap Reader has a built-in Webster dictionary, so the typical dictionary, the description would come up. And once you're done, you just close that app. One neat thing you can do here is, as you go to your course, you can highlight material. So you can come up with a highlighting scheme that works for you. There are different colors. So let's say, let's highlight that blue. Then let's move it forward. Okay. Like I said earlier, you can see that the videos, the medias are built within the book as well. So let's go ahead and highlight this blue again. Let's do one more highlight, yellow. And then the other thing you can do is you can also add notes to the book. So let's say your professor kindly told you that this is on the test. You can click on Add Note here and just say, on test, study. You can put as much information as you want. You click Save, and there you go. You get your note here. And you can always click back on it if you want to modify it or delete it. So just by clicking it, that's what happened. Now this is nice, but what's very nice with it is if you click here on the My Notes app, it'll expand the Notes app. And then if you go to the Highlights link, all of the highlights, and there are more than what I just did because I did more before, but all the highlights and the notes that you've created are all here in the form of a study guide, if you would. And if ever there's a section that you're like, you know what, I made that highlight, but I don't remember what it meant or how it fits in the whole section, you can click on it, and it'll bring the ebook exactly to that section. You can delete those. So that's it. And the other thing that's very nice about it is that you can also, if you do have, or you can download the app called Evernote, that's available for PCs and mobile devices. You can actually link the two together, so you always have your notes available without having to open your AL course. So that's in a nutshell how you navigate the textbook. So all the apps are here directly. There is a search tool. You can access the book directly there if you wanted to. There's the whole glossary, like I said. You also have flashcards. So the entire glossary is built into flashcards, and all you have to do is click on it and see the definition. You switch the card here. You can go to previous card. You can shuffle the deck. And the other thing that is not, you can also create cards. So basically, you would put the key term in the definition there. And you can also go here. You can switch the way it works and have the definition displayed first. And basically, the other thing you can do is you can print the deck. So that's the flashcard app. The dictionary is accessible here, as well as my notes. So in a nutshell, that's it. I hope this was helpful, and good luck with your semester. Thank you.